Good afternoon. Welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Rakai Aisha, or you can call me Ricky, whichever you like. Yeah, so we're about to get dressed, go to the coffee shop, finish editing. I'm trying to do just a weekend vlog. I'm not sure really what I'm doing, to be honest. I'm really not sure. I know I want to go to the coffee shop, do my editing. I know going to Five Below with my nephew. And I think that may be it. Maybe tomorrow I'll go to Target or something, because I do want to go to Target for a couple things. Target or Walmart for a couple things. My sister just invited me to brunch. So we got invited to brunch. So I may vlog for brunch, or I may just do a get ready with me for brunch. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, let's get started. Let's get out of here. So now let me stop playing. Let's push you back, maybe. Okay, also something I do every morning, every night is my 5 minute of gratitude. So I'm gonna jot a couple things down for the morning / afternoon. And yeah. What I said today's date was? 25th. 25th. And the quote of the day is, "You cannot be alone if you like the person you are alone with." It starts within yourself. You have to love yourself first. And that's by Wayne Dyer. I love that guy. I am grateful for... It's like this. Can you guys see it? And you write 3 things. It says, I am grateful for. You write 3 things. What would make today great? You write 3 things. Daily affirmations. I am, and then you write an affirmation. Okay? Okay. So I just wrote 1 so far. Okay, what would make today great? Some unexpected money. I know that's right. Large sum of money. Daily affirmation. I am enough. With a little heart. All right, so done with the morning half. Tonight when I come in, I'll do the night half. And that's that. Okay, so seriously, bed's all made up. Everything's all done. Bed's made up. I have I keep my notebooks and journals and stuff right here so I can write. I gotta get my laptop and everything together. I look crazy. Okay, let's cut this out if this is too bright. Okay, I have my laptop. I have to get my laptop and things together. And throw some clothes. It's pretty chilly, so I may just put on a sweatsuit. But yeah, okay. So I'll see you guys probably when I'm heading out. So I'm just about all ready. I forgot, not that I forgot, but I do have to go meditate for 15 minutes. Okay, that's it. That's it. So I'm wearing this bodysuit with this pullover. And I'm putting a hat on. Not just pullover, it's a hoodie, a crop hoodie from this brand called Well Culture, and this black-owned business brand called Well Culture. And then this is the hat, and this is it. Oh, Now, meditation is not easy. Even though I say I meditate for 15 minutes, which I do daily, I still have my struggles. Just like you've seen, I've stopped, I've rubbed my face, I've touched my hair, opened my eyes up. I have thoughts come into my mind, but all meditation is about is regrounding your mind. Your mind is going to wander off, it's going to think about problems, think about the future, think about the past, think about what you want to eat next. It's going to do all of those things, but it's your place to acknowledge those thoughts and bring yourself back to the now, the moment right now, where I'm sitting here and I'm breathing and I'm quieting my mind. So yeah, I recommend everyone to give it a try. Start off small, start off 3 minutes, but it's a game changer. You will build it up, you will get better, and it's not even a game changer, it's a life-changing thing. So yeah, just continue to meditate. Finally been out to go to the coffee shop. It's 3:34. I end up, my nephew do not want to come with me, so I end up making sure he got his homework done. I straightened up a bit, ended up making me breakfast. I made this little, a waffle sandwich. I feel like it's like a McGriddle, but I made it in a waffle maker. I want to get a small waffle maker. I made it in a big one. But like, I put eggs in one part of the, like, if you the Belgian waffle maker, I put eggs in one part. I put the pancake mix, like the waffle batter, the pancake batter, and another one, 2 of those, so I can make a sandwich. And then I cook some turkey bacon on the stove. So good. Yeah, so I'm just leaving out now. Like I said, my nephew did not want to come with me, which I thought I was going to have somebody to hang out there with, but whatever. He's too cool for me, whatever. So, I have a coat on because it's chilly, and it's so crazy. I know it's March, but it's chilly. But anyway, so I'm just leaving out. I hate this lotion, but I have to put lotion. I feel like my hands is ashy every time I get on this camera. So, yeah, so I'm heading there now. Probably see you guys once I get in there. At this point now, to be honest, we about to just hit the bistro. Now the sun's coming out. Great. The sun's coming out. I have a big old coat on looking like a fool. What is the temperature outside? 58. It's cold for me. 58 is not warm for me at all. Today was a successful day. Not successful. What? Today was a productive day. I got As you seen in the last clip, I went to Starbucks. I did a lot of editing. I came back home. I did more editing. So I'm basically all caught up on my editing, the videos that I have already recorded. And then I'm done for tonight. I'm done for the night. For the night. I'm going to do my description section tomorrow. What I do is I type it up in my notes column, in my notes app, and I put all the links there, all the description, all the details, everything like that in there. It's like a process. Like, what do I have to do tomorrow? Tomorrow, I want to go to the mall because I have a brunch to go to Sunday, which I'm gonna bring you guys along for. But I have a brunch on Sunday. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to go to the mall. I have to go to like Target or Walmart, get a couple things, and yeah, that's just about it. Done for the night. I will see you guys in the morning. Good afternoon. It is Saturday, March 26th, 5:18. I know I'm just picking up the camera. I'm horrible at vlogging, but I was doing a lot of editing today, and that's boring, so you guys wouldn't have wanted to see that. Now I'm currently at the mall. I'm going to a brunch tomorrow, which I have nothing to wear, and it's going to be cold, so I really don't have anything to wear. So I decided to take you guys with me. Let's go inside. So I'm back in the house. Didn't get absolutely nothing from the mall. I got some jewelry. I'll show you the jewelry later. But I didn't get anything else. Didn't find any clothes. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna put something together in my closet for tomorrow. It's like 8:30, almost 9 o'clock. I'm about to have a glass of wine and make me something to eat. So I thought I'd bring you guys with me. Okay, so dinner is done. I'm about to eat a little bit of this and probably call it a night. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hello. I'm super late. I told you guys yesterday I had a brunch to go. It is 4:36, March 27th. I told you guys yesterday that we had a brunch to go to, which I didn't find an outfit at the mall, like absolutely nothing. But I just wore something I had already in the closet. I'll try to get a full body look, who knows. But we just get in here. We're downtown DC, Washington DC. I'm not sure the name of the spot, but I'll let you guys know later.